Welcome to the Credit Karma Tax Software Review. Usage Experience. Links to the product and additional details can be found in the description below. Credit Karma Tax, now known as Cash App Taxes, is a completely free tax software designed for individuals and families who want a straightforward, no-cost solution for filing federal and state tax returns. Unlike many competitors that charge for premium features or state filings, Credit Karma Tax provides access to all forms and filing services at zero cost, making it one of the most budget-friendly options on the market. The software is best suited for users with simple to moderately complex tax situations, such as those filing W-2s, 1099s, or self-employment income. It covers common forms like Schedule C, D, and E, and supports various deductions and credits, including for student loans, childcare expenses, and mortgage interest. The step-by-step interface is user-friendly, guiding you through the entire process with clear prompts and explanations. It's ideal for first-time filers or those who value simplicity without compromising on functionality. One of Credit Karma Tax's standout features is its accuracy guarantee, which ensures that any calculation errors leading to IRS penalties or interest will be reimbursed. Additionally, the maximum refund guarantee promises that if you find a higher refund elsewhere, they'll match the difference. Security is another priority, with advanced encryption protecting your personal and financial information throughout the filing process. However, Credit Karma Tax may not be the best fit for users with highly complex tax scenarios, such as those involving multi-state returns or foreign income. It also doesn't offer live tax professional assistance, so users needing one-on-one help will need to look elsewhere. That said, its affordability and ease of use make it a strong choice for most filers. In conclusion, Credit Karma Tax, Cash App Taxes, is a fantastic option for cost-conscious individuals and families seeking a reliable, no-cost way to file taxes. With its user-friendly design, comprehensive support for common tax situations, and guarantees for accuracy and refunds, it delivers incredible value. Check the links in the description to learn more or to start filing today.